Hello, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about with which platform you should start with, either it's Google or either it's Facebook. So in this video, I will break down which platform you should proceed with once you are just starting out and you do not have a lot of budget to proceed with. Let's jump into the video. First of all, we're gonna discuss about Google. Then after that, we're gonna discuss about Facebook. When you should start off. Once you are just starting out, I would recommend you should only proceed with Facebook. Do not proceed with Google if you do not have a lot of money, because Google is an intent-based platform. So, for example, if I want to search anything, then I will not go to on Facebook and I will search whether in New York or whether in California. Rather, I will go towards Google and I will type my query over there, right? So Google is an intent-based platform. Whenever somebody wants to search something, whenever somebody is actively looking to buy something, they will go towards Google. They will not go to Facebook. Hope this makes sense. Google is an intent-based platform, and people are actively searching in terms of their need that they are looking for on Google. Either they are looking to buy a bag, they are looking at a laptop or a hands-free or a MacBook or whatever the thing is. So Google is an intent-based platform. Once you are just starting out, I would not recommend you should proceed with Google because the cost per acquisition would be a lot higher on Google as per Facebook because people are actively searching on Google. That's why Google charges you the premium price. On Facebook, people are not actively searching of their solutions, right? They are just over there to watch the memes, connect with their friends, and the world, and just scroll down here and there. So whenever we run Facebook ads, the CPM, which is the main group, is cost per the cost of showing your ad to 1,000 people is called CPM. So the CPM is a lot cheaper as compared to CPC. The CPC is in Google Ads, cost per click. So if you are just starting out, I would recommend you should proceed with Facebook ads. Once you build some data, once you have a little bit of your audience, then you can proceed with Google Ads because you can make a customer loop over there, right? Uh, Once you start Facebook, most of the time people who are buying from you or people who are searching for you on Facebook or for example, there is an attribution window that you need to understand. Having the attribution window. So in the attribution window, what happens is that whenever somebody sees your ad, after how much time they should remember your ad, or after how much time Meta could contribute that purchase towards Meta algorithm and says that this purchase came from Meta. So for example, a person came to my website and they uh, visited my page, they added to cart, they initiated checkout, but they didn't made a purchase at the moment, and they left our website. Whatever could be happened to them, either somebody rings the bell or their phone rang, and whatever the thing is. Then after the 7 days, they went to Google, they typed the website name, and from Google they bought my product or my service. So what happened is that Google will contribute that purchase towards your website. Facebook will not contribute towards that purchase because the thing is you need to understand that there is an attribution window, and also you are building your brand. You are building your brand, and people will subconsciously remember your brand in their brain. This is the XYZ brand. I Whenever somebody wants to buy the exact thing that you are selling, or they could remember or they could recall in their brand, and they go to Google and you type your website name over there and you buy from there. So to build credibility, to build top of the funnel mindset, and to build authority of your brand, you could run on Facebook. You could run brand awareness campaigns, and these campaigns are dirt cheap. You do not need to pay a lot higher CPM as compared to sales campaign, which is around $25 to $30. Rather, you could get a CPM of around $5 or $7 in your brand awareness and reach campaigns. And the objective of that campaigns would be similar to show your ad to maximum people who are highly relevant in your product, and whenever they want to buy something, they should buy from you instead of buying from your competitors. Hope this makes sense. Just to conclude, once you are starting out, you do not have a lot of money, I would recommend you should proceed with Facebook ad. Once your pixel is seasoned, once you build some brand awareness and reach campaigns, and people outside of the Facebook platform on Google knows your brand, then you can start Google Ads, because Google charges you the premium price. Although Google's sales and results and everything is consistent, but we cannot bear a higher cost initially once we are just starting out. So you should proceed with Facebook. Once you get stable, once you get consistent, you get good return on ad spend, good return on ROI. Then after that, you're gonna proceed with Google. And once you set up this foundation properly, I'm confident, and I have done this for a lot of my clients, that you're gonna see there are some really good results on Google, because there is a customer group that we just discussed who are making on both platforms. So yeah, hope this makes sense. If you like the video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This really helps me keep motivated and make videos for you guys every week. So yeah, take care, have a good day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.